basically we're just going to follow the instructions. Pretty much got to remove this out of the way, so that way we can get to our mounting points. So hopefully they're here in the middle. I don't think this comes off. So the hole's going to be in there. Let's take a look, see. So the hole is going to be pretty much within the spare brake light. So let's just take a quick line up and see what it's going to look like. And yep, looks like the holes actually do line up right in between those brake lights, so we can easily access them. Perfect. Okay. I think that's going to be about right there. Alright, perfect. So next, I did wipe that down clean, and you want to wipe it down next with some rubbing alcohol. So I got some alcohol here. We're going to give that give the surface a nice little wipe down. Nice. So the reason, obviously, for the alcohol is we want to get this surface prepped and ready for adhesion. So the cleaner this is, the better it will stick to the body. Alright, so that's pretty clean. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and unroll our template. So we now have our template here. We're going to unroll this. So when you are using this template, I do recommend have some masking tape, so you can, you know, apply the masking tape to, you know, to hold this piece on. So, all right. And it even says on there, you can see it says 9 millimeter diameter, you know, for the size and everything. It's all right there. And we got our 9 mil. While the template's on here, I'm probably going to drill the hole while the template's on there, just to leave it on, so you know you're getting the right points drilled in. Some people probably use a template and mark the holes, then remove, and then punch, or remove and drill. But for me, I just rather if I can keep it on there, I can still make, my drill holes, at least the initial drill holes, and then from there, go from there. Like I said, you got some wiggle room if you're not, if you're not right on the money. So you can see the instructions, they pretty much tell you exactly how to lay it out. So this is how I have it taped up. As you can see, you just have to align it, with the lines there. So if this doesn't line up, you just gotta make sure this part lines up. Kind of eye this up, make sure it's in the center of the spoiler, which it is, which is good. So we're on track. Oh, didn't think that one through, did I? Alright, so I have a punch tool here. Gonna go ahead and mark them on here. I will also note that they do have holes cut out already in the middle of the spoiler already. So, you know, you can, when you put the hole punch through, you know, it's right in there. Smaller bit to just kind of get your initial point in. Moments of truth, here we go. So this material is very light. This stuff will go right through. Once you do that, you can go ahead and remove the template, and then we're going to go ahead and bust in Tatiana with the 9mm. The material is so soft, like it's crazy. Stuff just went right through it. All right, so now we have this is the 9mm with the drill stop on it. So I have it set to about 10mm back and 9mm bit. So it tells you also in the instructions on the page as well. There you go. One last wipe down. Moment of truth. Let's get this spoiler on, baby. Let's get this spoiler on, baby. So we're gonna go ahead and start just peeling off this stuff. Oh, hello. Peeling that off. Oh man, gotta love OEM stuff, I'll tell you. Gotta love it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead, line up the holes. That's going to snap in there. It's going to be a little tight. Don't be afraid to use a little force. Alright, once everything is on pretty tight, we're going to go ahead and just push down. I'm going to go ahead and get your bolts up in here that we drilled. Alright, so this is a little ghetto. I'm not proud of it, but I just took the drill and drilled just some extra holes just so I could access these holes better. So that's what happened, that's what I did. But yep, I was able to get this extension through. If you have a magnetic socket for these 10 mils, that'd be perfect. But as you can see, it's on there, it's secure. Gotta clean these bits off, so probably take them out and clean them off. Other than that, I will probably get something and sit on top just to make sure it's get a good adhesion. But other than that, I mean, she's pretty much good to go. She's on there pretty good. So, and like I said, regardless of those extra holes I did have to make, you know, it's not like you're gonna see it. So, it's all good because you will not see it. Boom, baya, boom, baya, boom, baya, ya, 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 ya. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the spoiler install. Pretty straightforward. The material is very soft. You don't need anything very strong as far as the drill goes. So it's all secure. I'm gonna push more on this side, but as you can see, there she is, man. Wow, beautiful. That's a little something, something. Once it's done, just give it a nice little wipe down. I'm probably gonna go ahead and add some hydrosilics on here, just to have a protective coating on it. But man, this spoiler's so cool, man. So cool! Whoa! Hydrosilics! Like I said, what I love about this hydrosilics is just how easy it goes on, how easy it comes off. I mean, literally replacing waxing a car in like, you could do a whole car in like 20 minutes. It's pretty crazy. With a nice finish and hydrophobic surface.